Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Steam and enable SteamGuard, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Steam, begin by visiting the official Steam website at store.steampowered.com. On the homepage, locate and click the login button in the top right corner. You will see an option for Join Steam. Click on this to begin creating your account. Fill out the required information, including your email address, and create a password. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Enter the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen to verify that you are not a robot. After completing the form, click the Continue button. Check your email for a message from Steam. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once your email address is verified, return to the Steam website to log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Details section from the drop-down menu under your profile name. Look for the Manage SteamGuard option and click on it. You will see options to enable SteamGuard. Choose Get SteamGuard codes via email. To confirm, check your email again for a verification message. Once you receive the confirmation email, click the link to activate email codes for SteamGuard. After enabling email verification, you can now receive SteamGuard codes directly to your email. This adds an extra layer of security to your Steam account. You can also choose to download the Steam mobile app for additional security features. When prompted in the app, link it to your Steam account. This will allow you to receive SteamGuard codes through the app for even easier access. You are now fully registered with Steam and have enabled SteamGuard for enhanced security. Enjoy your gaming experience with peace of mind knowing your account is protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.